Hello guys, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. In this video we learn 10 easy lines about Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Right? If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's start the video. First point. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a great Indian saint. Once again, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a great Indian saint. Second point. He was born on 18 February 1836. He was born on 18 February 1836. Third point. His birthplace was Kamarapukur, West Bengal. Once again, his birthplace was Kamarapukur, West Bengal. Fourth point. He was a devotee of goddess Kali. He was a devotee of goddess Kali. Okay. Fifth point. He lived a simple and holy life. He lived a simple and holy life. Sixth point. He taught love, truth, and kindness. He taught love, truth, and kindness. Seventh point. He guided many students in spiritual life. He guided many students in spiritual life. Eighth point. He believed all religions lead to God. He believed all religions lead to God. Ninth point. Swami Vivekananda was his famous disciple. Swami Vivekananda was his famous disciple. 10th point. We remember Ramakrishna Paramahamsa with respect. We remember Ramakrishna Paramahamsa with respect. Okay, right. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Meet you in another new video. Bye bye. Bye bye children.